this P1, right? Hit this button. Let's go ahead and put 10 minutes for that P1. And you adjust your temperature. Do it at 200. Now you're at the P setting, smoke setting. But first, let's read some of these comments. Get ready for this. So Glassy Ed 86 said, this is not correct at all. The P settings are for setting different temps for different times for recipes. Read the manual. You know what? This dude, honestly, he was right. So sometimes you got to get called out on your BS to actually learn the truth. And it was a little confusing for me, but totally agree, bro. Okay, moving on. Gregory Thomas 3395 said, you're simply setting the recipe for a probe 1. Has nothing to do with P setting. P in the instant stands for probe. The 850 Pro does not have a P setting. It's a PDI controller. Absolutely correct, bro. Thank you. Thanks for letting me know. You know, I did read this in the manual. I went back to read it, and he's right. It's a PDI controller. It's not adjustable. So definitely, this does not have a smoke setting on this grill, on this pellet smoker, this Pit Boss Pro Series 850, okay? Let's read the next comment. And now going on to our last comment. This is from James G8246. This video is wrong. You turn the knob till it says S for smoke. It's not 5. Turn to S and press the knob. Done. It sets it to 180. That's why the lowest setting to the right is 190, because smoke mode is only 10 degrees under minimum. Also, you get plenty of smoke at 190 or 200 or up to around 230. If you want more smoke, go ahead and put a smoke tube in there. Dude, definitely. I have seen the smoke tube videos. They look pretty interesting. I have actually even seen some dude invent a smoke thing out of like a piece of metal tube. It's pretty cool. It's like a smoke tube, but homeboy made it himself, which I thought was pretty cool. It's also like a little smoke box you can invent that I've done, where you put it into like aluminum, put some pellets in there, and then you just let it heat up in the center of the Pit Boss. So definitely, I want to say thank you to everyone that commented and let me know that my first video was wrong. Yeah, I know. It's all good though, because this is what made me make this new video telling you guys what the truth is about smoke setting and the Pit Boss Pro Series 850. Definitely, there's no smoke setting on this. So if you do want to get some more smoke out of your Pit Boss, you can go ahead and manipulate the smoke with adding more smoke, which is putting a smoke tube or adding chips somewhere in the smoke